So everyone, this is my phone, Nokia Lumia 610. My father gave me this last 2012. So, I'll tell you about something about my phone. Some reviews. First of all, how to operate this. First, you'll put the battery, then cover it. Then, the operating keys of it are these. The power key, also the lock key. This is the camera key, and this is the volume key. So that's also they have a button here, the menu, and the search bar. Search. Also the back. So it's look like wasted, but it's usable, because if you want to download some of your documents, it is readable by this phone, because this phone is a Windows phone, the operating system of it. Also, there are display features, some brightness control, orientation sensor, low power mode, something like that. And you can download music, or even transfer all your details by the application or software, the Zoom. If you're connected, if you will want to connect this phone to your laptop or desktop, you can use the USB cord, micro USB cord. And this is also the where you're gonna put the headsets, something like that. And also it has a flash. The camera of display of its 5 megapixel. So it's look like wish that